Staggering 92 million jobs are set to disappear worldwide. If the world's workforce were made up of 100 people, 59 would need training before 2030. The winners will be those who adapt to the shifting landscape. Over 40% of jobs will require reskilling in the next 5 years. But watch the video to the end, because this last skill is the most important one. Technology is evolving at breakneck speed, and the workplace, well, it's changing with it. But think you've got what it takes to protect the digital world? Cybersecurity analysts are the guardians of our data, battling hackers and keeping our information safe. In a world of increasing cyber attacks, their role is critical. Ever wondered how companies seem to know what you want before you do? Data scientists are the detectives of the digital age, uncovering hidden patterns and helping businesses make smarter decisions. Their insights drive everything from product development to marketing strategies. They plunge into massive data sets to find insights that businesses depend on. Think of data scientists as detectives uncovering patterns others can't see. Companies use their skills to predict everything from market trends to consumer behavior. Think about this. What's the one tech skill you'd want to master today to stay ahead tomorrow? Share your answer in the comments below, so let's keep it moving. Trending at number 2 on the report are jobs in the green evolution. So, green jobs in this sector include renewable energy engineers and electric vehicle specialists. But get this, demand is skyrocketing, and there just aren't enough skilled workers to fill these roles. So, if you're looking for a secure career path, a renewable energy engineer, electric vehicle specialist, or a sustainability consultant might be the job for you. Trend number 3 is geoeconomic fragmentation. Borders are getting thicker, trade wars are heating up, and globalization is shifting. So, businesses need experts who can navigate this new complexity. It's not just about managing the challenges, it's about turning them into opportunities. Let's take a recent example. The supply chain crisis during the pandemic. It was a logistical nightmare, but those who adapted, like supply chain experts, kept things moving. It's proof that adaptability isn't just a buzzword, it's survival. Jobs trending in this category include supply chain analyst, risk manager, and trade compliance officers. But get this, these jobs are also trending the most. So if you're looking for a 6-figure salary job, train to be a machine learning specialist or data analyst. What's your go-to strategy for staying calm under pressure? Let's explore how workforce changes are shaping the future. But here's where things get really interesting. The report says that service jobs, especially those in the care economy, are set to skyrocket. Think about it. As the population ages, we're going to need more nurses, social workers, and caregivers to lend a helping hand. And here's why. Populations are aging in developed countries, while younger workers are entering the market in record numbers in developing nations. So, businesses face a strange imbalance. The solution? Bridging the gap with reskilling, mentorship, and strong leadership. Therefore, trending jobs in this category include training and development specialist, healthcare worker, and human resources managers. So, the workforce is changing fast. But, and this is a big but, by 2030, the world will lose 92 million jobs. But here's the thing, the winners will be those who adapt to the shifting landscape. So, here's one takeaway from the World Economic Forum Job Report 2025. Technical skills are vital, but here's what's becoming increasingly clear. Emotional intelligence will be a game changer in the AI-driven workforce of 2030. It's the ability to understand, manage, and express emotions effectively. And it's what separates good professionals from exceptional ones. So here are 5 essential components of emotional intelligence you need to be aware of. The self-awareness component of emotional intelligence is about recognizing your own emotions and how they affect your behavior. Jobs like leadership roles, coaching, and even product design benefit immensely from self-awareness. The next component is self-regulation. Managing emotions, especially in high-stress situations, is vital for roles like project managers or crisis responders. But this one is crucial. Motivation, right? Staying driven and focused on long-term goals. Entrepreneurs, researchers, and innovators need this in abundance. And empathy in many sectors is vital. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Healthcare professionals, HR managers, and customer service agents thrive on empathy. And lastly, social skills. Those who can build strong relationships and effectively navigate team dynamics. This is critical for sales, negotiation, and leadership roles. In a world where AI handles repetitive tasks, emotional intelligence will differentiate humans from machines. Professionals with strong EQ will excel in roles requiring collaboration, leadership, and human connection. In 2030, empathy and social skills are just as valuable as tech skills. But what's one area of emotional intelligence you'd like to improve? Drop your answer in the comments below. Well, with all the buzz around technology and efficiency, there's something we can't lose sight of: the human experience. Will AI make work more meaningful? Or will it make us feel replaceable? But here's the thing. The future of jobs isn't just about productivity. It's about fulfilling your purpose. So, stay curious, stay adaptable, never stop learning. And remember this, the future isn't written yet, but it's yours to shape. So, before you go, check out the next video on the screen. Keep learning. Your future self will thank you. Be sure to check out the next video. You don't want to miss it.